Hey everybody, it's Neil and we have 3 doggies. So I got this is a 3-doggy leash. So we're gonna give this thing a shot, see if we can open it up. You wanna open it? I know. You're excited. There we go. So we're gonna check this thing out. So it also comes with a little cup for water so we can give our little doggy some water, but let's see what we got here. So we have a starting leash, and then we have 3 to go to the 3 doggies. So let's try this out. So come here, come here. What you got in your hair? Okay, we're gonna get you first. So let's see, you get one. There we go, good girl. And you get one. Here, you want one, Rosemary? Oh, good girl. We got 2, and now where's the 3rd one? Come here, Luna. Come here, little girl. Come on. Don't you want to go? Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Try to get the 3rd one on here, and then I'll show you guys what she looks like. Come on. So now, if I want to walk 3 doggies, I can. So I'm going to walk you guys through the yard with my 3 dogs. So let's go. Come on, girls. So this is what it looks like here. And you see, they're all kind of fighting me here, going different directions. It might take a little bit for them to get used to. But look at how cool that is. So I can just hold one leash and have all 3 dogs hopping along. Very nice. I'm gonna say this is gonna be fun. I'm ready to go for a walk. So I'm gonna go for a little walk and maybe they'll wanna go with me. How cool is that? Let's go back, girls, come on. Good girls. They're all pulling me. They do have vests and things to wear, so it'll be cool. So I like this. Thumbs up, cool.